How to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile app. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see the different posts that have been shared by people. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your account, as you can see. There are sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of your Instagram profile. From them, make sure you tap the hamburger icon. This will take you to the menu section of your Instagram account where you can view the settings and activity of your account. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, you will come to this section named How Others Interact with You. Under the section, there are more options. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Follow and Invite Friends. You will then land on this page. If this feature is missing on your account or you can't find where it is, then come to the top of the page and after that, type in this search bar the word Invite. The feature will then appear as you can see here. Then go ahead and tap on it. Finally, you will land on this page where there are several different options. Come to the bottom section here named Contacts and People to Follow. Under the section, there are more options as you can see here. These are various ways you can share or invite friends. From them, choose this one here named Invite Friends Via. As you can see, this section will appear where you can send your friends invitation links via different social media apps. You can also copy the link by tapping on this option named Copy. After that, open or go to where you want to share the link and send it to the person. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram.